Welcome to this tutorial on the new MCIS 360 portal page. Before we get started, if you have not subscribed to the Career Lab email list, please take a second and sign up for either the educator or agency mailing list. We will be sending important updates on MCIS 360 that you won't want to miss. You can still get to the portal page through the Montana Career Lab website. Click on the MCIS login button on the upper right-hand side of the screen. Clicking on the MCIS login button will take you directly to the new portal page. If you would like a faster way to get to the portal page, save the URL to your bookmarks. To log in with your admin or staff account, click on the admin button, admin login. Enter your username and password, and click login. This will take you to your admin page, which you should all be familiar with. To get to the client side of the system, click on the Go to CIS 360 button, and this will take you to the client side of the system where you can do anything that a client can do. You can save, you can use this page as an example to use with your clients. Clients will still log in with their same username and password to get to their account. Do not have your clients log in through the Montana resident login, as you will not be able to access their information through your admin or staff account if they do. All of their information that they have saved in the old version of MCIS will carry over to the 360 version. If you have a new client, have them log in with your site's generic one-time only username and password, and have them fill out the information to create their personal username and password. They'll fill out this information, click save, and the next time they log in, they'll log in with their new username and password. This has been a brief tutorial on how to use the new 360 portal page.